Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you the fastest and easiest way to find the best Starpets promo codes. And yes, this method actually works, even if some websites give outdated codes. First, open your browser and search for Starpets promo codes. You'll see a few websites pop up. Go ahead and click on We Thrift website. Once the page opens, scroll down until you see a section called Active Promo Codes or Working Codes. These pages usually update every day, so you'll often find new codes added regularly. Now pick a code from the list and copy it. Next, head over to stars.gg, find the promo code box, and paste the code in. Give it a moment, and if the code is still valid, it will activate instantly and your rewards will appear right away. If a code doesn't work, don't worry, promo codes expire fast. Just try another one from the list, and usually at least one or two will still be active. And that's it. Super quick, super simple, and the best way to grab real working Starpets codes. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.